Subhana. The next word we have is Subhana. We translate it as praise be to you, glory be to you. But how do we understand the word Subhana? Originally, the word Subhan, the word Sabaha, the root letters Sabaha is, they say is, for example, a children, if you have a qamis, a shirt, and it's made of skin, it's a bit hard. That meaning doesn't, the next one is more important. Tasabbuh means tamaddud, to extend oneself, like, you're doing like jumping jacks. When you're jumping jacks, what have you done? You've extended yourself. Extension, that's one meaning. You have, for example, you have even a horse. You say a horse does sabah. Why? When it's running, what do? It extends its legs. You've never seen a horse running. A picture of a horse, like its legs are all extended. Even when you're swimming, you call it, you say sabaha fi nahri aw al-bahr. When you swim in the ocean or you swim in the lake, you say sabaha ama. Correct? Because what are you doing? You're extending yourself. And there's one other element here. When you're swimming, so you have two words for swimming. One word is sabaha, and one word is ama, aum. So now there's a slight difference here. Aum is when you swim, but you do like an Olympic swimming, dive down into the water. And sabah is when you stay above. You keep yourself afloat. You follow? So it's a slight difference between the word aum and the word sabah. Now how does it add up? Later on he's going to explain it shortly, inshallah. Okay. So, yes. So aum is when you swim, but you may even go down inside. And sabah is when you stay above the, you don't go into the water. Now, kullun fi falakin yasbahun. So Allah says sabah regarding the stars. وَالشَّمْسُ تَجْرِي مُسْتَقَرٍّ لَهَا. So the stars, the moon, the nujum, everything is what? في فلك يسبحون. What does that mean here now? They're extended. So when they're extended, they're moving, like how the horse moves, they're moving. Yes? And they're kind of like moving. So they're moving, they're all spread out. All of this meaning is found in the word يسبحون. وَالسَّابِحَاتِ سَبَحًا. So what does it mean regarding the horses? What are they doing now? Extending themselves, they're running, they're moving. Correct? So sabah. Inna laka fi nahari sabahan tawila. You have a very long sabah during the day. What does this mean? Work, extending yourself. Correct? And then you can also probably add in the meaning of not drowning into the water. What does that mean? You carry out the work you need to do, but what don't you do? You don't get involved you stay above the water. You don't get when you do da'wah to the qawm, you don't get involved in their wrongs and the evil. So you stay above the water. You stay above their adat, which are wrong. And from there you get the word tasbih. What do you get? You get the word tasbih. What does tasbih mean? What do? You don't. You exalt Allah's purity. How? By number one is what? You extend yourself by not. So that's why even ibadah is also the meaning of ibadah. فَسَبِّحْ بِحَمْدِ رَبِّكَ فَلَوْ كَانَ مِنَ الْمُسَبِّحِينَ. So the word sabah is also ibadah. You extend yourself. You stretch yourself out physically and spiritually. It also means what? You don't inghimas. You don't drown yourself into the water. You stay above. You stay afloat, and you don't drown into the naqs, and you just purify Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Yes. So from there you get the meaning of tasbih.